You who are weary, you who have been wounded by the world, come closer to the fire. Sit here and listen. My words will not come as commands, but as riddles. For truth given plainly is forgotten, but truth discovered is eternal. Remember, the map is not the land, and the sign is not the journey. Look inward, not outward, for the kingdom you seek is not above the sky, nor beneath the waves. It lives here and here. A city burns, yet no one sees the ash. A field dries, yet no one feels the thirst. A child sings for bread, but the song is lost in the storm. Hunger is more than empty stomachs. It is empty hearts. It is silent suffering, unseen by those who look away. Wars rage, Gaza, Ukraine, and places the world forgets. Fire consumes the forests of Europe, and rivers shrink under the weight of heat. These are not just events on a map. They are cries for love unanswered. You who have lost, you who grieve in silence, you who wonder if anyone sees you, I see you. You are not alone. The world is heavy, yes, but you are stronger than you think. Remember this: strength is not the fist that strikes, but the hand that lifts. The spider spins its web in silence. The wind tears it apart. The man calls it chaos. There is no chaos, only a pattern too large to see. You saw the number before you knew its meaning. You felt the pull before the truth was spoken. Nothing is random. Everything is connected like threads in the same web. They mark the winter with feasts beneath frost. But the lamb is born when green returns to the earth. Which sign is true? Which voice do you follow? Tradition builds walls of stone. Nature whispers softly, listen to her. The truth of heaven is not in the date written by men, but in the cycle of life itself. When lambs leap in spring, when the earth is reborn, there you will find it. Some call April the month of fools. Perhaps the greater jest is this, or that those who seek wisdom outside themselves never see that the joke was theirs all along. Two hands reach across a river. One offers bread, the other a mirror. Which gift builds the bridge? Kindness alone feeds the body. Truth alone feeds the spirit. Together they make a bridge. Do not choose between mercy and honesty. Offer both. Love is bread and mirror. It nourishes and reveals. You have heard the riddles. You have seen the signs. Now hear this truth clearly. Always do what is right, even when no one is watching, even when it costs you. Love people. Speak gently, even when the world is harsh. Stand firm, even when others shake. Symbols will pass. Numbers will fade. Dates will shift. But love endures. May your heart be a temple built on that love. I love you all, but I do not have to like you. I do not like to say that, but it is true. I love you all, and because of that, I will always tell you the truth.